Hello and welcome to another episode of Messy Magic. I'm your host, Dee Guy, and today I've got something pretty different for you. It's an audio recording of nature sounds, and I have just been out for a walk, for a morning walk in some bushland that runs alongside the river in our little coastal town. And I was surrounded by birds, and I could not believe just the abundance of birds that there were. And I was just magnetized to this space. I could not bring myself to leave. But as I was leaving and as I got towards back towards my car, there was this kind of overflow of birds around me, and I was inspired to record an audio. And then I had the idea to share it with you because I thought that it might bring a little bit of joy to your day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it in two parts. I'm going to record this episode and then I'll play the audio in this one episode. And then I'm going to release a second episode, which is just the audio of the nature sounds, so that if you want to just listen to nature sounds and not me, you can do that. And I'd invite you to put it on a loop or, you can just listen to nature sounds without any human voice. So it's going to be the same audio. I'll probably loop it a few times though, so that it plays for a bit longer and you can enjoy it for longer. But I think it's gorgeous. I just love immersing myself in nature, and I love being able to share this with you. I'll paint a bit of a picture for you because it was actually a really beautiful morning as well, and it just felt really magical. It was a bit cloudier this morning, but as I started going for my walk, the clouds parted and the sky was just this incredible sapphire blue color. The sunshine was just this sparkling kind of effervescent beautiful sunshine. I was walking through bushland, as I said, on a track, and it just felt like I was being embraced by nature. I actually walked to the end of the track where it kind of opens out to a sandy beach and a river as well. The river, almost at the river mouth, so we have waves there too, and it was just this crystal clear water and this beautiful blue, and just the colours around me were like blues and greens and whites and sandy, and it was magical. So if you can imagine those colours, those textures around you when you're listening to this, it will help you really immerse yourself even more into the beauty of the audio. Whatever you're doing while you're listening to this, whether you're driving, whether you're doing housework, you might be running, lying down, who knows what you're doing while you're listening to this. I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you do come back to the pure audio as well when you're inspired to just hear some raw sounds of nature, because I think it has such beautiful healing powers and qualities, and just relaxation, if nothing else. So I'll stop rambling now and I'll put the audio on, but I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please feel free to send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. You can email me at hello@messymagic.co. I'd love to hear your feedback about the audio, especially if you'd like to hear more. I'd love to record more. Without further ado, please enjoy and have a magical day.